Picture this. You're standing before the Supreme Court, ready to argue your case, but as you open your mouth, you realize your arguments lack a clear direction. So, how do top lawyers avoid this nightmare scenario? The answer lies in mastering the art of the thesis statement. In legal writing, your thesis is your North Star. It's the guiding light that illuminates your entire argument. But crafting a clear, concise, and arguable thesis isn't as simple as it sounds. Many students struggle with this crucial element, often ending up with vague statements that fail to pack a punch. So what makes a thesis statement in legal writing so challenging? Well, for starters, it needs to be specific enough to guide your argument, but broad enough to cover all your main points. It has to take a clear position that invites debate, not just states a fact. And perhaps most importantly, it needs to be concise, which is really not easy when dealing with complex legal issues. Let's break down the characteristics of a strong legal thesis. First, it should include 3 key components: the main topic of your paper, a clear position or argument, and a summary of the evidence that will support that argument. This structure ensures your thesis is focused, disputable, and coherent. Consider this example. Brexit was driven by political frustration. This thesis works because it presents a clear claim that can be argued against. It invites further exploration and evidence, setting the stage for a compelling legal argument. Now, let's look at a weak thesis. There are many problems with Brexit. See the difference? The statement is vague and it doesn't provide a clear direction for the argument. It also fails to engage the reader or give any indication of what the paper will argue. Crafting a powerful thesis is an iterative process. As you gather more evidence and refine your argument, your thesis should evolve. This allows for a more robust and nuanced argument to emerge. Think of it as fine-tuning your legal strategy as you uncover new facts in a case. So, how do you develop a thesis that will serve as the backbone of your legal argument? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, start with a question related to your topic. Second, do some preliminary research to understand the key issues. Third, formulate an initial thesis based on your findings. Fourth, test your thesis. Is it specific? Is it arguable? Can it be supported by evidence? Fifth, refine your thesis as you conduct more in-depth research. And sixth, ensure that your final thesis is clear, concise, and sets up the structure of your entire argument. Remember, a well-structured thesis statement isn't just the foundation of your argument, it's also a roadmap for your reader. It guides them through the main points you'll discuss in your body paragraphs, maintaining clarity and coherence throughout your writing. With a strong thesis in place, you've set the stage for a compelling legal argument. But a thesis alone isn't enough to win your case. You need to build the body of your argument to support your thesis, to create a persuasive piece of writing that would make even the toughest judge take notice.